In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit stairs here in Fortnite and actually use them in real fights. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, stair edits are by far one of the most useful mechanics in the entire game because they give you control over angles, movement, and positioning. Let's obviously start with a basic edit. If you want a half stair, and for whatever reason I have simple edit turned on right now, you just need to look at half of the staircase itself and just drag from one end all the way over to the other end, allowing you to have another half free where you can obviously go ahead and take them out. So for example, if we do a half edit, we have a different kind of peak, just like so. And of course, if you're in a box, this is extremely useful for just getting a quick shot and then resetting that edit just like so. Now you could also go ahead and reverse the edit depending on where your opponent is. This will allow you to adjust quickly and stay unpredictable during fights. And this, of course, is just by looking at the ramp and then kind of facing the direction that you're trying to do and just rotating it just like so. You can do this a million times. And this is, once again, super helpful if you're in a box, especially if you're like running towards something. You could go ahead and rotate it and then, of course, get a shot. Or say it's covering you, you could rotate it as you're running out. Boom, and be good to go. Another strong edit is creating the U shape with your stairs. This is going to block your opponent's movement and can stop them from jumping into your box, giving you a super easy chance to line up a shot. But it really is as simple as that. Obviously, the main goal is to, control space while staying protected. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.